So we will discuss GATE CS marks distribution. So I have researched and I have seen many of the marks distribution lists and everything. I have taken almost 15 years back and I calculated and I averaged it too and I made it this. See, this is the mark scheme for distribution for GATE. So here DS algorithm and C language, it will give 8 into 22 marks. It's very easy. And TOC and CDR you can get easily if you follow some of the topics in here. You will get easily that 16 marks easily. We can say it 15 marks. You can get 15 easily. See, if you are following just basics. If you are following just basics, you will get 16 marks or 15 marks. So in TOC and CD, it's one of the easiest subject in computer science is TOC and compiler design. This you will get almost 8 marks, minimum 8. If you know basics, everything is GATE is basics only, not understanding of something research or something like that. It's basics only. You will get minimum 8 marks in both of these things. And then this is the somewhat difficult subject. Everyone say that CO is very difficult, but I can say that in CO if you do pipeline and memory, then almost you've done it. In pipeline and memory you will get 6 to 8 marks. 6 to 8 literally. And operating system, many easy concepts are there in operating system. Scheduling, synchronization, and then disk scheduling and memory. These are very, very basic concepts. You will enjoy while studying. I can say Galvin is the best book for synchronization. You will enjoy while studying that book. It's very good book, and you will get even. If you consider scheduling algorithms, you will get 3 to 4 marks there. Synchronization 2-3 marks, 3 to 4 marks, and disk scheduling 1 to 2 marks, and memory you will get like 3 to 6 marks. So if you consider all those basic concepts into this, you will get 6 to 8 marks here. Even here you will get 6 to 8. Digital K-maps you will do without practice. Any practice you will do 2 to 3 marks in digital. So if you combine all this, you will get almost 14 marks. If you know basics, you will get 14 marks. This is the marking scheme. What is given in last 10 years or 15 years. This is the marking scheme. But this is the marking scheme. If you know basics in DS algorithm and C programming, then you will get 15 marks. And TOC and CD you will get 8 marks. Here, now I combine DB and CN. These two are good subjects and large subjects. In here, the same thing. In DB also, you can get a transaction and NFs, normal forms, and the other one is queries. Query you will get 2 to 4 marks, and transaction you will get 3 to 4 marks, and NFs you will get 2 to 3 marks. These are very easy. Other things also there, but I haven't discussed. So you will get 6 marks easily here if you know just basic concepts and previous year questions. And CN also same thing. IP address, IP mapping. It's a class C or class B. How many possible? So I can say you will hardly get without practice you will hardly get 3 marks or something. And some of the easy concepts. So Wi-Fi is introduced. So you will get. Some of the concept IPv6 also very basic concepts. So if you go by concept or topic wise, it's a very easy to get good marks. So I can say that here you will get 6 to 8 or year 3. So I can say that minimum 10 marks you will get here. In mass is again divided into 4 parts. What is that? Calculus. So mass is divided into 4 parts. What is that? I can say calculus and discrete structures and probability, and then set theory. So in calculus, what you have to do is only previous year questions. Previous year questions, same thing. Okay. Here you can observe that calculus and set theory, even aptitude also, you have to practice only previous year questions. Here I can say that in discrete structures, it's very easy that in these some of the topics are very easy. Go by topics. So you will get 6 to 8 marks easily if you go by topics. Here you can score 1 to 2 marks easily. If you practice only previous papers, then you will get 1 to 2 marks. Here also same thing. 1 to 2 marks you will score easily if you practice last year questions. Then see, if you combine all these, 6, 7, 8 marks. If you using, if you study for maths, then you will get at least 10 to 15 marks. So you can score above 15 or 20 also in mathematics. If you score above 15 or 20, then it's very good. See, you can score here 12 marks. Okay. In aptitude, you are able to get minimum. You are able to get 10 marks easily. See, in aptitude, it is divided into reasoning and verbal. See, verbal is you can directly read in the exam and you can attempt, you can get 2 to 3 marks easily without negative. Okay. In reasoning, see previous year questions. Only previous year questions. This is 10 to 15 years questions. And I am saying that, see all branches questions. All branch questions, then it will give more insights into this. And you will get easily, I think, 8 marks over here. Easily, very easy. If you study only previous year questions, you will get 8 marks here. See, total how many marks ended up with? 15, 20, 30, 34, 42, 52 and this one 63. Okay, total marks are 63. So what I want to say is, if you are having all the basics in each and every subject, you will get 63 marks. If you are in 63, your rank will be definitely less than or equal to 100 or less than or equal to 200. Okay, not more than that. If you are 63, then your rank must be in 100. But if paper is very easy and highest is some 83, something like that, then you might go 200 or 300. But most of the cases, if you cross 60, then your rank will be in 100. So I can say one thing. So I will give the order. Which one is the most easy subject? Order number 2 is the more easiest one. And with that, you can then one is other easy subject. Then I can say 3. In 3, OS and digital are easy. In 3, you have to see only pipeline and memory, CO. In CO, you have to see only 2 concepts. In CO, only look for 2 concepts, pipeline and memory. Because why I am saying memory these many times, if you are good in pipeline and memory, what will happen? See, all the people who don't know and who doesn't understand memory and pipeline, they don't score 6 to 8 marks in this particular subject. So if they're almost 6 to 8 marks, means they're leaving competition from top rankers. So that's why I'm saying that prepare. I don't say that to prepare entire subject. I am saying that prepare these 2 concepts. You will get 6 to 8, minimum 6 to 8 marks. So I will say that 3. After 3, you can say that you can follow 4. 4, then 5, 6. This is the order you can follow. And I can say one thing. Even not only this, you can use you can directly start with as it is order 1, 2, 3 like that. There is no issue in that, but this is the very easy subject. And I can say that whenever you completed the test, whenever you completed the syllabus, then practice it. Practice is very important. Test series is very important. Okay, do any test or take n number of possible test series. Okay, yeah, it's always better to do testing, practice writing number of multiple tests, online tests, or